Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm doing this quick beautiful design with clear, a little light pink and a lot of glitter nail design. So right now, as you may see, I'm applying my dehydrator. After the dehydrator, I'm going to apply my primer. So since I am doing a brand new set, I am putting a base coat of clear acrylic, and I always do that because when I file my design to redesign my acrylic nails, I don't want to file them all the way to nothing, because you keep on filing your tips and you keep on refiling your nail bed, and that's gonna cause over filing, and you're gonna end up breaking the tip and eventually having no nail bed. So first I'm doing the clear base, then I'm adding a lot of glitter. You can place it wherever you want it. I'm just doing the bottoms. You can do a full nail if you'd like. To help the glitter stick better, I just do a very little bead of acrylic, which is more wet, and then I dip it into the glitter. It spreads better and it holds better into your nail. Always keep your brush clean. This way you're not going to have any acrylic buildup in it. And as you can see here, I dipped my brush into the acrylic. I picked up a bead and I waited a couple seconds, usually about 3 to 5 seconds, till it starts caramelizing. I'm not sure if I'm using the right word, but it's basically becoming very smooth and clean. Once you see that consistency on your bead, then I start applying, and that's where I got these results, that it's not very liquidy. It's nicely oh my goodness, I can't find my word. You can just push it nicely with your brush all the way down to the end of the nail. So always wait a couple seconds before applying the bead to the nail till it starts being nice and clean. Now I'm using this really light natural pink, and I'm just gonna apply that little pink. It's very little to the clear sections, trying to keep it kind of away from the glitter. You can't put actually cover the whole nail with that pink because it's very translucent and it's absolutely beautiful. This is the pink that I use when I do my pink and white marble acrylic nail designs. So once you're done with that little pink, now you have to encapsulate all the nail glitter. So another coat of clear acrylic. You can again cover the whole thing, but you don't have to because it's just going to be way too much acrylic. So I'm just trying to do it on the glitter that has no coverage on whatsoever. Now that you're done applying your acrylic and it's all nice and dry, it's time to file. The final results, all filed, and time for top coat. So I buy my top coat from AliExpress. It's the non-wipe top coat, and it comes with a big refillable bottle, so I don't have to worry about always running out of top coat. The results are simple but absolutely stunning with this glitter. So I use my own acrylics, and the glitter I got from AliExpress. I buy basically everything from AliExpress because it's cheaper. I rather wait a little longer, but I really don't want to spend a lot of money on accessories and arts for my nails. Now it's curing time. I always cure my nails for about 60 seconds. Don't forget to clean it with alcohol. I always have a bottle in my spray bottle filled with alcohol. And here are the final results. I absolutely love this design. It's very simple, classy, and it goes with everything. Everything, and I mean everything. You can use any type of glitter that you like. It doesn't have to be exactly this one. Any glitter is good. Thank you guys for watching again. I love you all, and I will see you soon.